this video, we will show you how to build a WordPress website. Before you build WordPress website, you need to buy domain and hosting. In here, we will using WordPress self-host, and you can buy domain in domain name provider like Namecheap, GetAD, Google Domain, or etc. And you need also hosting. You can using share hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS, or another. But in here, we will show you we are using cPanel and shared hosting. After you buy domain, this is for example, we have domain name and pointing into our web hosting in here using cPanel. Then this is before we install the WordPress website. We need to download WordPress package in wordpress.org/download. You can just click the download WordPress and in here you can click save. After downloaded is complete, you can go to your cPanel on your web hosting and go to File Manager. Please scroll down. You will find File Manager menu and click this. And you can open public_HTML. In here, you will find the files open in our domain name. In here, the files. To install WordPress, you need to upload your WordPress package that you download. You can just click upload in here. This is for WordPress. You can click open. Wait until the upload is completed. After WordPress package is complete, then you can go back to your file managers. You will find WordPress package in here. If you not find, you can just click reload. Then you can right click and choose extract files. Close this. You need to reload to see the WordPress file is in here. Because this is in directory or folder, you need to move the content folder in this root directory. Then select this all and you can delete WordPress folder in here and then click move files. You can up into the root folder. You can see there. Now WordPress is in here. You can delete this folder, and if you reload this, it will automatically open the setup files. You need to create database first, or you can just click this to continue. And this is for database. Click let's go. This database is required. You need to go to your control panel again, and in here there is database menu. You can click MySQL database wizard to create database for easy. For example, we will try to open Notepad, so we can note the database name etc in here. Click Next. This is our database name. And for username, for example, we are using WP user in here. Password, and we can click create user. Don't forget to click alter all privilege. This is for WP user. You can copy, and this is the important notes. You need to save securely, and for DB password, using this password. Click minimize. Don't forget to click all privilege. Then you can scroll down and click make change. Now this is for user, this is for database name, and we have password also in here. And this is for database server, usually using localhost. This is the information we need to continue our installation. For database name, we can copy this. For username, password, and this is for DB server or database server. We can click submit. Let it table prefix by default, but we recommend you, if using multiple sites, you can just add Unix, for example, free words like this, but we will try to using default table prefix. Click submit. Then run the installation. For example, site title, you can input username in here. For example, and then this for password. Let's try to using this. Okay, and then confirm of use weak password, or if we're still learning, we can just using 1 2 3 4 5 to easy remember. We can change this letter. For email, for example, we are using, okay, we can using this email, and then install WordPress. Click never, and you are finished to create WordPress website or build WordPress using self-host. In the next video, we will show you how to log in using WordPress websites. That's all.